How's your relationship with these senators na kasama sa committee report nyo? Particularly sila Senator Shi, Senator Joel, Senator Jenggoy. Are you in speaking terms or nagkakatampuhan ba, sir?
I will not blame them, but I have a duty to perform. Kasi kung puro pakikisama na lang all the way, wag na lang tayo mag-hearing. Di ba? Maintindihan ko naman where they're coming from. Yung iba, parang hunus-dili na bumate. Yung iba, hindi ako kinakausap. But
Last na lang po for me. Sir, may we know kung ilang hearings pa and what is the possibility, sir, na makaharap pa si Zaldico knowing na nasa France nga siya, tapos nag-iyan siya ng asylum? Paano po ba?
We will await the decision of the French government kung mag-grant yung kanyang asylum. It is now incumbent upon this administration to oppose the application for asylum. Kasi hindi naman, hindi naman yun siguradong ma-approve Even yung kay dating Secretary Roque, wala naman nakakasigurado na yung asylum mag-grant. Kasi kung ang best, I think, yung best case nila para mag-grant, yung persecution. Pero kung ganyan, so challenge ito sa government to really vigorously oppose yung application for asylum. And if and when he is returned to the country, doon ko plano na i-confront siya doon sa mga Marines. Kasi after all, kung yung 18 Marines ang papatawag natin, nanggagaling lang naman yung sinasabi nila kay Zaldico So, there's no point.
Pero sir, kasi diba, yung pag nag-apply siya ng asylum, habang hindi na bibigyan yun ng desisyon, hindi siya pwedeng pauwiin, sir, diba? Yun yung sinasabi ng French government.
So, hindi pwedeng arestuhin. So, I posited a legal question to my staff as we were discussing or preparing the partial committee report, the chairman's progress report. Sabi ko, scenario, what if in-invite natin si Zaldico and he agreed and went to the Philippine Embassy in France. Doon siya nag-testify under oath. Question, kung mayroong mag-move to cite him in contempt of the committee, tapos may mag-move na i-place siya under arrest, can we order the embassy personnel to put him under arrest and detain him there? I haven't gotten a parang categorical answer. Sabi ko, pag-aralan nyo. Kasi it might come to that because since Zaldico knows that he cannot be arrested by the French government, but the Philippine government, and mind you, the Philippine embassy grounds in France or anywhere in the world, any country in the world for that matter, Philippine territory yun And kaya nga inobliga natin yung magte-testify na nasa loob ng embassy para may jurisdiction. Di ba yung sa mga commission on appointments na confirmation hearings, we require them to be present inside the embassy para maging valid yung kanilang testimony. But the question is, this is a different matter kasi meron possibility na mag-contempt at ma-order yung arrest. So, we're still studying that, yung scenario if it comes to that. Ngayon, kung merong police attaché or military attaché na naka-assign do sa French, sa Philippine Embassy, sa France, baka pwedeng doon i-detain hanggang that's outside